Hi lovies, welcome back to another video. I'm just shooting out all the videos, as you can possibly tell by the fact that I have the same outfit, but mind not guys. Mind not, I'm here with another video relating to hotels. Now I know COVID has been a thing, and I know you guys are hesitant to be staying in Jamaica, much less staying in a hotel. Me going to a hotel more than once last year and about to go to another one soon this year. I just wanted to share with you some tips, tricks and hacks I had to just leveling up your hotel experience, especially during this pandemic. So if you are interested in finding out more, then stay tuned. So guys, I have the tips, the tricks, and all the knickknacks you need, because we are packing to stay in a hotel in Jamaica. Extra supplies for your tech. I know you guys have a mobile phone. If you're a content creator, if you're a YouTuber, if you're an Instagrammer or whatever they call it, you have added equipment, you have added sound, you have added mobile devices to ensure that your experience is like top tier. So what I would say is to bring an extension cord, because you only have like 2 plugs. If you're nice and if you spend the money, you'll probably get 4 plugs, and you'll probably get like a little charging port by the lamp in your room. But other than that, the plugs are few and far between. So I want to say bring an extension cord as well as an HDMI cord, so you can hook it up to your laptop and you can actually watch Netflix and chill in your hotel room, because more times than not the TV quality isn't that great when it comes to like cable. So I want to tell you guys to bring a pillowcase. Not saying that their pillowcases are dirty or not up to quality, they are, but I know if you are like a natural like me with protective style and still want to protect your natural hair, then you'll want to bring a silk, satin or any other pillowcase. If you love your pillowcase at home and you want to bring it just in case because you cannot sleep without it, then be my guest. I will encourage you to bring a pillowcase, because you just don't know what they let me just also bring your personal toiletries. Like I said, they provide everything for you. They provide the toilet paper, they provide the shampoo, the conditioner, the sanitizer, the sewing kit, the soap or whatever else in the bathrooms, but they are so generic. Like I swear, if I use the shampoo that they give me in my hair will drop off the next day. Like so just bring like little travel size shampoo, conditioner, so you don't really feel like a fish out of water when it comes to your personal hygiene, as well as your toothpaste and your toothbrush, because I don't think I've ever been given toothpaste or a toothbrush at a hotel. But yeah, carry that and deodorant. And you know, as a female, you want to carry all the other stuff that you already know, so I don't have to tell you, right? I want to tell you guys to bring a scented candle or a diffuser. People, it is important that you do that. Why? Because with COVID, with this pandemic, people are like sanitizing everywhere, anywhere, and all the wares. All right, so you want to bring a scented candle. Make it you smell good, you feel good. So you want the air to be nice and scented. Its aroma is just spreading through the air and you're just smelling it and you're feeling like a goddess. Yes, that is what you want, because you don't want to be smelling like disinfectant or bleach, and that is not a nice feeling, especially when you air out the place and then the next day they rinse and repeat and make the whole place smell like disinfectant. No. So you just want to make the place your home for the time you are there, and the best way to do that is lighting a scented candle, and it reminds you of home and it makes the place smell so fresh and nice. First aid kits or health supplies. If you know that you have a health condition, or if you know you're prone to busting your knee on something, bring the first aid kit, because it's going to be kind of difficult to get any kind of medical help, minor medical help at that, at a hotel, because you know, sometimes, and because of the panini, there are times where staff just goes home and then another set of staff come, and between that you might have gotten into some trouble, and you don't want to be the case where you cannot get help. All right, bring a do not disturb sign, or whatever you want to call it, that you put on your door. Sometimes they don't have it, and the times where they don't have it, you wish that you brought it. So make sure that you have a do not disturb sign. Enough said on that. The last but not least, I want to say, bring your hand sanitizer, your wipes, or whatever other thing that you use to just disinfect. Hey, if you want to bring disinfectant spray or Febreze or something and just do your own little mop through sanitization, then by all means do it. Be my guest. You are welcome. But I know that you just don't know who, when, where, how, and why does your stuff, and you just want to take the necessary precautions because you just don't know who. And anxiety would be stricken in you if you found out that the people were just doing a little 1-2 spray and call it disinfected. So bring your own sanitization station gear and just do your own sweep through. So sleep well at night. So guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Is there something that I missed? Just drop it in the comment, because I would love to know, because it will help me too. I am a hotelier. But yeah, it's been a long road, and I'm not going to ramble off, I promise. But I'm just saying, you have to be prepared, you have to take the precautions, because we don't want to catch COVID. It's a good body, don't want to catch COVID. All right, so guys, I hope you have a great day, great week, great month, great year. It does not matter, as long as it's great. Keep sweet, stay safe, and just continue being awesome. Bye.